If you missed my last video, you saw the absolute chaos we started with, and you also witnessed that amazing miracle we had at the end. Today, the room is all painted and it's time to finish this room. I couldn't be happier with the color. This soft, creamy blush is the perfect serene backdrop. And now that the foundation is set, it is time for the fun part to begin. Alright guys, we are nowhere near the finish line. We have so much more to do in this room. I just finished the carpet. It's not 100% perfect at all. I would give it about 40% perfect. But I am going to get like an area rug to kind of cover up the carpet and to kind of hide those big spots. But now that we're done with our carpet, it is time to start placing our decal on the wall. Okay, y'all, here's the decal. I think this looks so good. We have two different ones. We have this flower and we have this one. It's a subtle touch to the room. It's not overpowering. So let's put these up. We're gonna actually put our blinds in and we'll start to put our lights up. That way it's a white light because I think that throws the color off in here. Okay, first up is her dresser. This was probably the hardest piece of furniture to build, but once it was up, it was smooth sailing. I actually finished building this dresser way before the decal on the wall was complete. So when it was finally done, I decided to do just a little DIY, and I thought it would be cute to design the light switch and outlet covers to complement the rest of the room. I thought it was so cute how it turned out instead of it just being white. That was definitely a workout, but the dresser is officially in place. Now, the dresser is a key piece to the whole design. It's going to be the central hub for our functional bottle station and the perfect height for all the late night prep. The crib is going to be the centerpiece right on this dark accent wall. This part was so exciting. This high quality Lullaby Earth mattress was a prize we won at the Pregnancy Expo, so we had to get it unboxed. It's made with the best, most breathable material, and we were so happy to get it in the room. I absolutely love these scallop shells. They perfectly capture that cloud look I was going for, and getting these up was very essential for setting up her reading corner. Now for an even more exciting part, unboxing our mini fridge. This is our late night game changer, y'all. And putting it in its dedicated corner means the bottle station is almost done. This gold mirror was originally in our entryway before we upgraded, but I thought it was the perfect piece to match the room, and it was a great way to stay budget friendly. I also grabbed this stuffed animal hammock. I love this idea. It's going to be a huge space saver, keeping all the plush toys off the floor. And I just knew when I put it in the corner, it was going to be so perfect. So if you guys are wondering what her name is Ella. Y'all, I'm so in love with this sign and I just couldn't wait to see it hung up. Because Ella came home earlier than we expected, we were still scrambling to finish her space. This quick trip to Lowe's with her in a stroller sums up the urgency and the love behind this project. The biggest piece of functional work left was the countertop for the bottle station. We needed something smooth and durable that would span the space above the refrigerator and the dresser, so I decided to grab a melamine board because it was budget friendly and not as heavy as an actual countertop. Then I added a vertical divider to protect the embedded power strip from any spills. I didn't permanently fix it to the dresser or wall because I knew at some point we transition the fridge out of her room as she gets older. I decided to adhere the trim to the melamine board so that everything could feel just a little secure, and I honestly used carpet tape because it was so sticky and it actually worked out perfectly fine. The last touch on the bottle station was adding a detail right from the wall, so I took the leftover floral decal and added it right to that trim piece. I just love how this ties the entire functional zone right into the room's main aesthetic theme. Now it's officially perfect. I couldn't be more happier with how serene and beautiful her nursery turned out. It is everything I envisioned and so much more. I really hope this gave you guys ideas for your own nursery or DIY projects. And before we go, here's one last look around the finished room. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I love to see when you guys subscribe to my channel. Plus, there's so much more content coming up, and I don't want you guys to miss it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.